Hey everyone, welcome back to the JavaScript course. So in this video, we'll be looking into the JavaScript random method. And if you find this interesting, let's get started right away. So now we'll be looking into the JavaScript random method. So inside my VS Code, I've opened up my index.html file, my style.css file, as well as my script file. So there is some basic boilerplate code present inside my index file and some basic styling given to the style.css file and a basic console.log message inside my script file. So now let's start exploring about the random method inside of JavaScript. So random method essentially gives a random value from 0 to 1. So let's see how exactly it works. So now let's say I initialize a random number. So const random number equals to math.random. Okay. So let's console.log the random number. Okay. So save the file. Let's come back to our web page. Yeah, so there you go. We are getting all the values. The random value from 0 to 1. So let's refresh the web page once. So there you go, 0 0.7, 0 0.9, and 0 0.9 again, 0 0.5. So this way, when you refresh the page every time, we are gonna get the random value. So now let's say we want it from 0 to 9. So okay, so for that we need to make use of, let's say, the floor method, and then we can do that. So const random equals to, we're gonna say math.floor. We're going to access the math.random and then we are going to multiply it with 10. So this is going to give us all the values from 0 to 9. If we want it till 10, we're going to give 11 over here. And let's initialize the random function. So let's access the random value. So let's say console.log the random. Okay, so save the file. Let's come back to the web page once. Yeah, so currently we are getting 4. Let's refresh it. We are getting 10 and 6, 3, 4. Yeah, so similarly, if we want, let's say, from 0 to 99, we are gonna say we are gonna do a math random star 100. Okay, so yeah, we're getting 2, 74, 59. So that's the way the random function works. If you need to get any random value every time inside your web page, you need to initialize the random function, and then you need to multiply by whatever value you need to get the order for which you need. That is basically the interval. Let's say you need from 0 to 100, you need to pass 0 to 99 over here, so that you'll get all the random values. So that's the way the random function works. I think that's it about the basics of the random function, okay, inside of JavaScript. So let's see in the next video, and then thank you for watching.